Sorry,
CRM.
I did not get it.
Fine, ma'am. So Salesforce is generally a CRM tool. Okay, the CRM
Okay.
stand for the customer relationship management. Okay, it's generally where the companies will handle where use the tool for managing their customer sales activities, marketing activities, and service activities. So based on the CRM concept, there are a number of tools in the market. One such tool is the CRM Salesforce, and in Salesforce is a cloud computing tool. So as you are aware that cloud computing, we have three solutions. That is a SaaS as a service, SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. That is a software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. As name suggests, like SaaS is a where we can get the readily available software. We can use the software directly without any need to installation. And we have something called PaaS, that is a platform as service, where we can use the platform to create our own customized applications. Okay, and then we have uh, uh, the service IS, that is where the company provides the database and the instances. Coming to IS, that is uh, infrastructure service, uh, that is like AWS and Azure, those type of companies will provide the IaaS service. With coming to Salesforce, we have yes, ma'am. Please go ahead, Sandhya,
No,
ma'am.
nothing.
You said you have a doubt. Hello. Yeah, please type the question. Okay, fine. I'll go ahead. If you have any question, you can type it. Okay, and uh, and the what you say is like I will provide the coordinates number. They'll get back to you. Okay. Okay. Fine. And coming to Salesforce, we have SaaS service and a PaaS service. Okay, software service and platform as service. Okay, you can create your own applications and also we can use the existing applications. And this is my developer account, which I get it for lifetime free. There
Mhm.
are two years for the Salesforce. One is the classic, another one is a lightning. So let me go to the classic window, classic mode. 1 minute, I'm going to classic. Yeah. If you're not, if you don't have any question, please mute yourself.
Sir, one small doubt, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Can we call Salesforce as an integration tool?
Integration, not integration tool. It can be integrated.
Okay, it can be integrated.
Can be integrated.
Okay. Like means out of curiosity, sir. Mean is like when did Salesforce start, sir? I mean, actually,
To be frank, I
I
also
mean,
don't know the answer. I never. I started learning in the 2015, 2014, 15, 14. And
okay. I mean, is MuleSoft part of Salesforce or Salesforce is part of? In your
both are separate entities, sir.
total, both are separate.
Yeah.
Okay.
MuleSoft is separate and Salesforce separate.
Okay. I mean, I heard a statement that MuleSoft is been acquired by the Salesforce. So,
To be
does
frank,
it comes under Salesforce?
I'm using the Sales for MuleSoft. I came across Salesforce integration tool, but to be frank, I'm not aware of news. I mean, as a our employer, as a developer, we are not consider about all those things. I feel
Okay.
consider about the only the learning the tool, getting a job, getting salary. Okay. Anything beyond that is not our thing unless we are investing in say buying shares in Salesforce or MuleSoft. Okay, even my company acquisitions also I never bother. Okay, as employee we don't need to worry about all those things. Other we think what we need to have is we need to understand what are the new features are getting released, any enhancement updates, so that you can update yourself. Okay, so this is my classic. This is the classic view. Okay, ma'am. Sorry to sidetrack. Come back to the
Yeah, yeah.
topic. So in app, this is my classic view. We have different apps like sales app, service app, marketing app, and other apps. Someone asked me what is a charter app. The charter app is like in-house, meaning inside the company social media application, and this is all part of the classic. And if you go to the lightning experience, we have the same type of apps, but there is some enhancement in the year part, and the basic functionality will remain the same. Okay. Yes, it's very much helpful to you, ma'am. Okay. Anyone can handle this Salesforce. Okay. Not an issue. Okay. And the same apps will be present, but their little enhancement will be present. And these are my own applications that I've created. Like I said, it's a past service also. And then coming to the development part, so any tool we can write the development directly in the cloud instance only. Okay, as I said, we have three parts in the development, that is front end, back end logic. That for that we use Apex, which is a is similar to Java language, and we have database, that is HTML statements and SQL and SQL statements. And apart from that, we have some UI components like Visual Force, Lighting, and Arrow component. When coming to this Apex, I can guide you on only, but for your component, you need to do something from your side also. Okay, and then as I said, after the course completion, I can help you on the certification also if you want to apply for any certificate, and I will provide you the term so that you can practice the term accordingly. Okay, yeah. So, any questions from here?
Yeah, no.
Okay. Coordinators will get back to you. Okay. Can you please share your phone numbers in the chat window?
In the chat window?
The
Okay.
chat window, can you please drop your phone numbers? Everyone, please. Please drop your phone numbers. Hello? Excuse me?
Yeah.
Everyone, please drop. They will not bother you. Just they ask you.
Yeah. I have sent you.
Others, please. Others also, please. One minute. And do you have any other questions? You're free to ask.
Yeah, no.
For anyone, this course is absolutely fine. Okay. You should be open to learn. Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, I am totally non-IT background, sir. I am
That's what I'm
working in
saying. Even if you don't know English, also don't know English, also I can handle, sir. And if you're super experienced, also I can handle.
okay, sir. I'm working in digital marketing field. So,
Yes, sir. Very good. You'll get a good future in Salesforce, using Salesforce. Okay. No need to worry, sir. I'm working in IT industry. I can guide you, get you. Okay. There are good a lot of opportunities. But I just said you need to do some efforts. Okay. With nothing comes very quickly. You need to put some efforts and give some time.
sir, my small doubt is, can I switch to Salesforce domain, like from digital
Yes, sir.
marketing to
Yes, you can
sales?
switch out. That's what I'm saying. Do your job, continue your job, and give some time for Salesforce. Keep a time period of for 3 4 months, and start trying after the admin is completed on admin level jobs. Once you get confidence on development, and do it. Okay. So you should be confident, and whatever I give you, that is for only 50%. Rest of the 50%, you need to work it on your own. Give some 1 hour per day or 2 4 hours per week. Continue job and working on it. Even it is non-IT background, BS agriculture or any digital marketing, or if you're done in MS, anyone, this is open. Okay.
Okay, sir. I worked in digital marketing field for
That's
four
what
years, sir.
that's what I'm saying,
So,
sir. Even there are, I mean, some of the students they have 20 years experience. Okay, they're 50 plus. Okay, even then
okay,
they are also what to say uh, started learning the Salesforce.
yeah, future. Okay.
What's the like a course duration will be?
That's what I'm saying. Course duration, ideally, the admin part will take 25 days, ideally, and development you can take 25 days, and extra 10 hours if required for other coding part. You can keep
Okay,
2 months. Okay, I mean some
okay,
holidays. Sometimes I miss, you miss. Make it 2 months,
yeah,
and other month you can give for preparation, or 1 or 1.5 months. Okay, just keep on 3 to 4 months. Plan for 3 to 4 months.
3 to 4 months. Okay.
I mean. Uh, what you mean to say is you continue work and try simultaneously. Otherwise, if you are a student, you can completely focus on it. So, I advise you can continue work and try simultaneously. Once you get opportunity, you can switch to Salesforce. And there are a lot of other tools also in Salesforce, like we have CPQ, which is related to accounting, and we have Commerce Cloud, Sales Cloud, IoT Cloud, Internet of Things, and all those things. Yeah, many more questions you can ask me else. Yes, we have daily 1 hour session. And if you want to have weekends also, we can have 2 2 hours. So we can have daily 1 1 session for 5 days, or we can have 2 2 hours per week, Saturday, Sunday. Both the ways I'm fine with it.
Like recordings will be given to us, right? Like a if in case if I have a college
Because
and I was not able
every
to
day,
talk.
whether you attend or not, I will. This is my personal app. I'll ask someone to share your screen and record it, and that recording will be shared among the other members.
Okay, okay, yeah. Because we like I will have some
Yes,
like
yes,
a
yes.
college
Not it,
work
don't you
and a
worry. Yeah,
problem.
yeah,
So
yeah. I'll supply the material also for after every topic completion.
okay,
I hope these I cleared all your questions. If you have any question, you can get back to coordinators. I open to any
mm,
questions. Okay.
yeah,
And thank you so much, and thanks for your time and all the best. Wish you good luck and have a great day. Bye. Take care.
yeah. Okay.
Okay, Ram. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. It's nice meeting you all. So any idea of the Salesforce? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you tell me about the any idea of the Salesforce, ma'am? Monia, ma'am, can you please introduce yourself? Hello, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Hello,
Yes, sir. I can hear you and I can see your screen also, sir.
I'm asking other candidates to respond. Hello, can you? Hello. Okay, fine. So as you're aware that the CRM, we are going to discuss about the Salesforce. Salesforce is a CRM tool that is a general CRM generally means the customer relationship management, where it helps the customer to handle all the CRM activities. CRM activities include marketing, sales, and service. So marketing activities and sales activities and service activities and other CRM related activities can be handled by using Salesforce. Okay. So this Salesforce is a cloud computing solution. Okay. Meaning, so whoever came now, can you please introduce yourself? Hello, Pradeep. Sai Swarup. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Hey, I just joined. Yeah, my name is Pradeep,
Okay.
and I work in IT from a long time.
Okay.
Salesforce. I work in marketing space.
Okay.
Uh, mostly, we have to interact with Salesforce systems.
Okay.
And I just wanted to learn,
Yes.
just to understand the whole architecture. So that's my introduction. Thank you.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much. Anyone who want to introduce themselves can please go ahead and introduce themselves. Else,
Yeah, Harsha.
yeah, yeah. Please
Yeah,
go ahead.
my name is Harsha.
Yeah,
I had completed my graduation recently in the
very
stream of
good.
electronics and communication engineering.
Very good. You're calling from which location, sir?
Sir,
You're calling from which location?
I'm from Hyderabad, sir,
Yeah, where you completed, sir?
in Tadepalli, West Godavari, Andhra Pradesh.
I mean, the college. Okay, fine. So we are about. I am going to give the demo of the Salesforce. Okay, generally, I'll give the demo of what is Salesforce. So in general, the Salesforce, as I said, it's a CRM tool. So CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. So any company, whether it of any field or any domain, to manage their marketing activities, all the sales activities, or the service in the sense, whenever to handle the customer complaints and everything, they need a tool. Okay, so the Salesforce is one such tool which provide solutions for the CRM. Okay, and we have many tools in the market, but the Salesforce CRM tool is the most demand. Okay, mostly in demand. Okay, and regarding the Salesforce is a completely a cloud computing tool. So anyone, hope you are aware of this cloud computing tool. Yes or no? Any questions with respect to cloud computing tool? Hello?
No, we are good.
Okay. So we have three types of solutions in cloud computing tool. That is a SaaS, that is software service, Flash platform as service, and IaaS, that is infrastructure as service. So let me open it and show it. SaaS service, PaaS service, as service, software as service, platform as service, infrastructure as service. Okay, software as service means the cloud solution company will provide the readily available softwares which the user can use it without any need to installation. And platform as service means we can use the existing framework to create our own applications. That is a platform as a service. IaaS is an infrastructure as service where we generally get the cloud instance and cloud database. And with respect to Salesforce, it provides only SaaS and PaaS service. IaaS service is generally provided by the companies like Azure and AWS. Okay, so having said so, this is my developer instance which is available on the cloud, and we don't need to install anything on system. And this developer account I can use it for the lifetime. In Salesforce, we have two types of UI. One is Lightning UI and the Classic UI. So the Classic UI is something which is available initial days, and after 2014, they introduced Lightning Experience. And here you can go to the app launcher. Okay, if you go to the app launcher, 1 minute. There are different types of apps are there. We have sales app, service app, marketing app, and other apps are there. So these are the apps which are provided by the Salesforce by default. As I said, says SaaS service. Okay. Okay. Uh, and then if you go to one by one, sales. Okay. First, I'll go to the marketing. So in marketing app, it's generally used by the marketing people. So here we have the opportunity. I mean, here we have different tools to manage the marketing activities. For example, if you want to generate some campaigns like advertisements, all those things can be handled from here. And also, you can have something called lead generation. Lead is nothing but a potential customer. Okay, and apart from marketing app, we have something called sales app. Okay, in sales app, what will happen that a lead can be converted into the account and contact. And apart from that, we can manage all the sales related activities like maintaining orders, managing products and prices, and for doing forecast and all those things. And apart from sales, we have next one. What we have is the service. In service, what we can do is we can manage the cases and provide the knowledge to the customers and provide the solutions for the cases. And apart from these apps, there are other apps are like Salesforce Charter, which is a social media application. And then we have the community. Community is nothing but where we can manage our own websites. Okay, and this is all part of the this classic experience. And if you go to the light, it's a latest UI. Okay, and mostly what are the apps that are present in the classic that will be present in the lightning also. And additionally they'll have some enhancement. So enhancements in the sense it will be in the year part, and mostly the functionality will remain the same. So here you can see the service marketing. So what are the apps that are present in classic that are replicated here. And apart from that, we have some additional apps like service console and sales console. Okay, and also I have created some own applications like these are my own applications as part of this pass, that is a platform as a service. Okay, so any questions till now?
So the one Ram, the one you are using, is it a licensed version?
It's a free tool, sir. Okay. So it's a free tool. This means developer account, you can say. Okay, and there is not no unlimited users. Everything has a limit. There, if you reach the limit, you can't use beyond that. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
And apart from that, if you want to write any code, okay, in generally what we need to do, we need to install something like Eclipse or Visual Studio, and then you write the code and install it to the server. So here we have the option of a developer console. Okay, so where we can write the code and deploy on the server. Okay, we can write the code directly on the cloud. Okay, we can there are three components as you like in development. We have this backend logic and UI components, and then the database operations. So both three things can be done from the cloud only. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute. This is my developer console. We can create some UI components, or we can create some Apex class. Okay. So with respect to development, there are three components. One is, as I said, backend logic. For backend logic, we write something called Apex language. Apex language is something similar to Java, where it is based on the OOPS concepts. Okay. And apart from backend logic, we have database statements. We have SQL, that is structured object query language, and structured object search language, and DMS statement, that is database manipulation language, data manipulation language. So these are related to the database. And then we have something called triggers, Apex triggers, where we can create some actions after the database operations. Okay. So with respect to Apex language, if you are new to coding, I can help you with understanding the cloud, like basically ops concepts and everything I'll take care. And then we have something called UI components. UI components, there are three components. One is a visual force, and another one is a lighting web component and aura component. And for visual UI components, there is a prerequisite to run the HTML code and XML and CSS and JavaScript. So once we move to the UI components, I request everyone to have some idea about on these tools. Okay, that is all about the development part. And then with respect to the course is completely divided to two parts. One is the admin part, and another one is the development part. Okay, let me show you the course content before we go into further discussion. So first is initial is the admin topics. So first I'll start with the admin topics. In admin topics, I'll start with the basic cloud computing concepts, and then I'll go ahead with the CRM concept, and then I'll help you with creating the developer account, and then can give you the overview of the Salesforce products, and then start with the actual admin part, like object management, and then we have something called data validations and formula fields, and page layouts, relationships, and process automation tools, and security, data management, sales cloud implementation, service cloud, and finally community cloud, which is transferred into experience cloud. And finally, we have enterprise data management and analytics. These are the part of the admin topic. Okay. Once the admin is done, we have dev. In dev also, it's completely divided into three parts. One is Apex language, and then yeah, database, that is SQL, SOSL, and then we have the triggers. Okay.
Um, Yes, so sorry. Actually, I was in another call to submit a project. So sorry to interrupt in the middle.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Please go ahead.
Yeah, like I was not. I'm not sure what's going on over here. So,
Okay. Can you give me 5 minutes? Let me complete others, and you can stay on the call after the
okay,
completion of meeting. Okay.
okay,
Don't mind. If you after completion of the call, you can stay on the line. Okay. I'll complete
yeah,
it. Sure.
okay. Yeah,
You may
okay.
know good name. Yeah.
Ammonia.
Yeah. Fine. Fine. Actually, I'm requesting to. I asked you many
Yeah,
questions, but
yeah.
no
Like
response.
actually, I was doing my like a college
Yes, sir,
project
fine.
over
Fine, fine. Okay, don't worry. So let others complete the. I will complete the
there.
others,
Okay,
and
okay.
then once complete the rest, and we can we'll
Yeah,
discuss
okay.
with you. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Then comes the emailing. this gear components. We have visual force space, and then we have what is a auto component and LWC component. I mean, just check to the go to the course content, and some topics may not be maybe outdated or maybe updated. So if anything, if you find that this is outdated or if you want anything new, I can update it. Okay. And coming back to after completion of course, what else the support I can help you is, suppose if you go to the trial head. So trial head is for two things. One thing is this Salesforce is completely dynamic. Every year we have some new releases and new features will come into picture. So in every year there will be some three releases. One is a winter release, summer release, and a spring release. Okay. Recently, winter release has happened. So what are the new features that came up in the new release? That will be those uh, new release notes will be present in the trial. Okay, let me open it. 2 minutes. So if you see here, new releases, suppose winter release.
Hmm?
Yeah, any question? So you can see here winter 23 release highlights. So you can give all the features like what's new with sales and service marketing, and everything can be present from here. Okay. And then you have something called credentials where you can apply for certifications and manage the certifications. Okay. Yeah. So whichever certification you want, you can apply from here. Okay. So with respect to certification, I can what you say, I can give you the dump and help you with the practice session, practicing the papers, so that I can apply for the what you say, for the certification. Okay. And apart from that, I can provide you the real-time projects, and so that you can get a idea of it, and you can also keep it in the resume. And every for all the topics, I'll provide the notes after the completion of the topic. Okay. So that's it from my side. If you have any questions from your side, you can ask me. Hello. Hello. Any questions? Any questions, sir, ma'am? Hello. Any questions from anyone?
No, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
Just a quick question. Will
Yes.
you be, when I understand what you're saying, admin and also some sort of a custom coding part you will cover, but
Yes.
I'm mostly into marketing. I don't think you have that in the list. Something like Einstein, next best action, or AI stuff. I don't think you will be covering, but let me know if you have any plan.
No. The coordinators will share with the course content. Okay. Just go to the course content. I have the analytics added. Just go to the course content, and so if you find that this topic is not present, this topic is not present, you can get back to me. That's what I'm saying. Okay.
Okay, sure,
You can,
sure. Thank you.
if anything is done, you can ask me personally. Okay. If this is missing, and I'll check to it. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
I mean to say to everyone, if this course is not pending, this is not lagging, you can anytime you can bring me personally, not an issue. Then the okay, we'll take care of it. Okay. Any questions from anyone? Hello. Okay. Any question? You can let me know.
Sir,
And
what is
yeah,
Salesforce Chatter?
Salesforce.
What is Salesforce Chatter? I mean,
Salesforce Chatter is a in-house social media application. Uh, we have the FB and Twitter and Instagram. So within the organization, they can manage this social media activities.
so what? One more thing, sir. I mean, uh, they are saying that Salesforce has acquired MuleSoft. So what is this?
MuleSoft, to be frank, I'm not aware of the market activities. About MuleSoft, I can guide you. This is a integration tool. And as I said, if you have any specific requirement, if you don't have to know anything tool, if you see find that anything is missing, after the course completion and during course completion, we can have a separate chart accordingly. So I'm available for any question separate on one-on-one basis. Okay. So in generic, you can keep it here, but anything specific, keep it separate. I will have a chat with everyone.
Sir, sir, actually, do we have any programming in Salesforce, sir?
We have
Programming
the
or coding?
programming. Okay. Okay, you can apply for admin or you can apply for development. You can even for development also you can go for front end developer or the back end developer. Okay, so it's not that hard code. It's very easy. You can learn it accordingly.
So we can say it as it's a tool, sir. Salesforce is a CRM tool.
Yeah, Salesforce CRM is a technology. I can say it's a terminology, and Salesforce is a tool. And Salesforce is we have not just we have CRM, and even one more thing I forgot to tell you, we have marketing, sales, and in here we are covering the sales, marketing, and service. And those tools are available separately to the market, like Marketing Cloud, Sales Cloud, and Service Cloud. And you have other tools like Commerce Cloud, CPQ, and other things. Okay. And with respect to the developer account, that is free account, we can get a free account for Sales Cloud and Service Cloud and even Commerce Cloud also, but we can't get Marketing Cloud. Marketing Cloud, we need to pay for it. So if someone has to learn for Marketing Cloud, so they need to pay for it, and then only we get the access to the Marketing Cloud. Okay. And I have worked on Marketing Cloud also, some marketing automation tool where you have options like lead generation, email campaign, and scoring, and all those things. Okay, so Marketing Cloud, if you have anyone interested, that can be taken separately, not covered in this CRM. If you want only the Marketing Cloud, I can take it up separate topic and prepare. We have the separate course content separately for the Marketing Cloud alone. Okay, and this session is completely for CRM. Okay. Yeah. Any more questions?
Good morning, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, how, sir, small doubt, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Like, uh, like, um, which companies takes Salesforce, sir? I mean, like service-based company or the product-based company?
Service-based companies mostly, and they are broad-based companies also. I'm in the market from the, I mean, I'm in the IT field, so there are a lot of projects coming for Salesforce, not just a development, even for admin. Okay,
What is the average package, sir, for a Salesforce admin?
that depends on the experience and the company and the projects. Okay,
Okay. If
leave
we
out the
have to,
package, leave out the package right now. Just focus on the subject, you'll get a good package. I promise that. Even for admin also. Okay.
Okay.
But give some time, at least 2 to 3 months. Okay. Then you'll see the wonders.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, fine then. And after this meeting is ended, again I'll start the meeting. And if you have any questions, you can add come one more time. I think Moni has some misread. So after 1 minute, I'll restart the same meeting link one more time. Okay. You can join again and you can ask your questions.